Does your platform still rely on slow, manual payment flows? Legacy systems and fragmented reconciliation can make moving funds globally inefficient, especially when bridging fiat and stablecoins. StraitsX DVA is a full-stack payments infrastructure for platforms and institutions. It combines named virtual accounts, COBO POBO tools, and API-driven automation, all within a regulated framework. Trusted by global banking partners like DBS and Standard Chartered, DVA provides direct access to SWIFT USD rails and is used by leading exchanges such as Binance and Bybit. Gain full visibility and control over your funds, from instant reconciliation and automated payouts to stablecoin-powered settlement. Whether you're an exchange, fintech, or corporate treasury, StraitsX DVA delivers the secure, compliant, and scalable infrastructure you need to grow globally. Transform your global payment operations with StraitsX DVA, the infrastructure that powers seamless fiat and stablecoin settlement for tomorrow's financial institutions. StraitsX, stablecoin rails for real-world payments.